Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this perfect Valentine's Day look. It's also in collaboration with another YouTuber. Her name is Tatiana Michelle. I'm going to leave all her info down below in the description box and go ahead and check her video out because it's going to be amazing. Hers is going to be in Spanish, mine is obviously in English, but it's a very simple video to follow. So if you guys want to see how to do this look, the beaming highlight, keep on watching.
Alright guys, so I am starting off with the L'Oreal Infallible Ice Latte eyeshadow, and I'm just placing it in my brow bone, and that's going to make it look seamlessly when we blend all the shadows together. Now I'm just taking this beautiful palette by Juvias place. It's the Magic palette, and I am going to take the eyeshadow called Nana, and that is going to be my transition color. It's a very nice medium tone, kind of reddish brown, and it looks perfect on the crease. Then I'm just taking a clean blending brush and making sure we have no harsh lines. We do not want that. Next, I'm going to take the color Sequoia. That one is like a brick color, and I'm placing it over top of our transition color. That way it looks like there's a gradient effect, and it looks really nice with this look. Now I'm going to take the color Ocean. It's like a shimmery bubblegum pink, and I'm placing it on the inner thirds of the eyelid. And then I'm gonna take Suba, which is like a rose gold but a deeper kind of rose gold, and I'm gonna place it right next to the first color, meeting with the outer corner. And then I'm just gonna take both of the colors and mixing them in so we don't have a harsh line between the pinks, and it just goes like an ombre effect from light to a darker kind of pink. Now I'm taking the color Kogi, and it's a beautiful reddish pink color, and I'm placing it on the outer corner of the eye. Now it's kind of like a smoky effect, but it's a Valentine's Day smoky eye, so it's obviously going to be pink. But the thing I love about these palettes is that these eyeshadows are like butter, so you don't have to be tugging on your eyes, and you just take a clean eyeshadow brush or the same eyeshadow blending brush that you use for the transition colors, and it'll blend everything seamlessly. When I say that these eyeshadows are one of the best, is like you can't compete, especially with the price. For eyeliner, I decided to go with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Matte Max Brown, and I chose this color because black would have been too harsh for this look, and it looks really nice with a chocolate brown. And also, I decided to go with a baby wing just to keep the eyeliner look simpler than usual. To keep it on the brown family, I also decided to go with a brown eyeliner from Maybelline for the waterline. Now I'm just going to take the same colors I used for the crease, and I am going to be placing them on the lower lash line, and then just taking a clean blending brush with a little bit of Nana and blending it all out. Obviously we need a little bit of glitter, so I'm gonna take the Heavy Metals from Urban Decay liners, and this one is in Midnight Cowboy, and I'm gonna place a little bit of that glitter on the inner thirds of my lower lash line, and that just makes it look so pretty. I think it ties the whole look together. And the last step, mascara. You can use any mascara you guys want. I'm using a Rebel mascara, and I like to do this step after I put my false lashes because it makes them just mix in with the falsies way better than me coating my lashes before putting falsies. So that's what I do. For blush, I'm using this Milani Baked Blush in the color Rose D'Oro, and it's a beautiful rosy color with a little bit of gold flecks in it. Guys, my favorite part, the highlight, and this is my favorite highlight. This is a Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in the color 13. It's an eyeshadow, but look at that highlight. It is so smooth, and you can see it from outer space. Like, that is the smoothest, most amazing highlight I've ever used. I am so in love with this. I haven't even stopped using it. Like, I don't even use my other highlighters anymore. This is my favorite highlight without a doubt. Like, oh my god, I am so in love. I can't with it. Like, look at that. It's like right in your face highlight. That's how I love to be. I want to look like a disco ball. I'll just drench myself in this powder and be happy for the rest of my life. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna stop. Bye. And last but not least, lips. This is the Maybelline Superstay Liquid Lipsticks, and this one is in the color Poet. It's a beautiful nude pink color. The only bad thing about these liquid lipsticks is that when they dry down, they are really sticky. I mean, the colors are beautiful, the color selection is amazing. I just wish they weren't so sticky, but I mean, for a drugstore liquid lip, it's not bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to go check Tatiana's video. It's a really nice collab. So, oh, and any comments, leave them down below so I know you guys are watching. See you guys.